Rain, rain, go away, danced along, turning puddles into song. Golden mist rose soft and light, spreading shimmer through the night. Trees and flowers sparkled so, waving gently as winds did blow. Children played beneath the spray, laughing in the magic day. Every drop a shining hue, painting skies with colors new. Golden mist made dreams come true. Rain, rain, go away, danced along, turning puddles into song. Golden mist rose soft and light, spreading shimmer through the night. Trees and flowers sparkled so, waving gently as winds did blow. Children played beneath the spray, laughing in the magic day. Every drop a shining hue, painting skies with colors new. Golden mist made dreams come true. Black sheep spun with tender care, creating wool beyond compare. Twilight shades of purple and gold, soft and cozy, warm to hold. Children wrapped in gentle sleep, dreams of wonder running deep. Stars embroidered in each fold, magic whispered, stories told. Every stitch a hug so bright, filling hearts throughout the night. Twilight wool glimmered in light. Black sheep spun with tender care, creating wool beyond compare. Twilight shades of purple and gold, soft and cozy, warm to hold. Children wrapped in gentle sleep, dreams of wonder running deep. Stars embroidered in each fold, magic whispered, stories told. Every stitch a hug so bright, filling hearts throughout the night. Twilight wool glimmered in light. Jack and Jill ran up the hill, seeking the silver ripple stream still. Water sparkled in the sun, ripples dancing everyone. Leaves of silver floated by, shimmering softly as they sigh. Children dipped their hands to play, magic glimmered through the day. Every splash a gentle cheer, whispers of a dream so near. Silver ripple stream shone clear. Jack and Jill ran up the hill, seeking the silver ripple stream still. Water sparkled in the sun, ripples dancing everyone. Leaves of silver floated by, shimmering softly as they sigh. Children dipped their hands to play, magic glimmered through the day. Every splash a gentle cheer, whispers of a dream so near. Silver ripple stream shone. Wheels went round on whisper bus, through the woods without a fuss. Trees leaned close with rustling leaves, magic danced on every breeze. Squirrels chattered from the trees, birds sang softly with the bees. Children laughed and clapped along, joining in the gentle Soft light glimmered magically. Whisper woods felt calm and free. Wheels went round on Whisper bus through the woods without a fuss. Trees leaned close with rustling leaves. Magic danced on every breeze. Squirrels chattered from the trees. Birds sang softly with the bees. Children laughed and clapped along, joining in the gentle song. Every path a joy to see. Soft light glimmered magically. Whisper woods felt calm and free. Spider climbed the spout so high. Moonlit ladder reached the sky. Threads of silver glowed with light, guiding all through quiet night. Children watched with eyes so wide, following every gentle stride. Every rung a sparkling thread, weaving magic overhead. Stars above twinkled in tune, soft as a lullaby in June. Moonlit ladder lit just right. Spider climbed the spout so high. Moonlit ladder reached the sky. Threads of silver glowed with light, guiding all through quiet night. Children watched with eyes so wide, following every gentle stride. Every rung a sparkling thread, weaving magic overhead. Stars above twinkled in tune, soft as a lullaby in June. Moonlit ladder lit just right. Row your boat through gentle tide. Harmony bass stretched far and wide. Silver ripples kissed the shore. Whispers echoed evermore. Children paddled soft and slow, watching moonlight's gentle glow. Every wave a lullaby, carried softly to the sky. Peaceful waters, dreams set free, floating calmly, endlessly. Harmony bass sang quietly. Row your boat through gentle tide. Harmony bass stretched far and wide. Silver ripples kissed the shore. Whispers echoed evermore. Children paddled soft and slow, watching moonlight's gentle glow. Every wave a lullaby, carried softly to the sky. Peaceful waters, dreams set free, floating calmly, endlessly. Harmony bass sang quietly. London Bridge glowed soft and warm, magic sparkling in each form. Lanterns twinkled on each side, shimmering lights so far and wide. Children walked and held hands tight, crossing gently through the night. Stars above twinkled in tune, guiding softly beneath the moon. Every step a gentle cheer, filling hearts both far and near. Soft shimmer crossing glowed sincere. London Bridge glowed soft and warm, magic sparkling in each form. Lanterns twinkled on each side, shimmering lights so far and wide. Children walked and held hands tight, crossing gently through the night. Stars above twinkled in tune, guiding softly beneath the moon. shimmer crossing glowed sincere. Ten in the bed floated high, drifting softly through the sky. Quiet feather rode beneath, carrying dreams with gentle breath. Stars twinkled softly overhead, guiding all where dreams are led. Children laughed and held on tight, floating through the moonlit night. Every cloud a pillow deep, cradling them in gentle sleep. Feather Road was calm and sweet. London Bridge begins to glow, softly playing notes that flow. Guide 3-step becomes a song, guiding travelers along. Crystal harps begin to ring, joined by flutes that lightly sing. Melodies everywhere. As the walkway starts to shine, music forms a gentle line, a path to wonders all divine. London Bridge begins to glow, softly playing notes that flow. 3-step becomes a song, guiding travelers along. Crystal harps begin to ring, joined by flutes that lightly sing. Colors shimmer in the air, dancing melodies everywhere. Gentle line, a path to wonders all divine. Rock-a-bye, baby rock so slow, cloud petal hammock swinging low, soft petals cushioned every dream, floating gently down the stream. Stars peeked in through window high, moonlight kissed the baby's eye. Gentle wind sang lullabies, softly drifting through the skies. Every sigh was calm and sweet, nestled in the hammock seat. Cloud petal hammock was a treat. Rock-a-bye, baby rock so slow, cloud petal hammock swinging low, soft petals cushioned every dream, floating gently down the stream. Stars peeked in through window high, moonlight kissed the baby's eye. Gentle wind sang lullabies, softly drifting through the skies. Every sigh was calm and sweet, nestled in the hammock seat. Cloud petal hammock was a treat. Twinkle, twinkle shone so bright, glowing softly through the night. Above the silent valley deep, where shadows stretched and willows weep. Silver beams danced on the ground, magic sparkled all around. Owls and foxes peeked to see stars reflected in the tree. Children whispered from beds. Dreams of wonder filled their heads. Silent valley glowed with threads. Twinkle, twinkle shone so bright, glowing softly through the night. Above the silent valley deep, where shadows stretched and willows weep. Silver beams danced on the ground, magic sparkled all around. Owls and foxes peeked to see stars reflected in the tree. Children whispered from their beds. Dreams of wonder filled their heads. Silent valley glowed with threads. Miss Polly's dolly needed care, so she built a clinic fair. Soft toy beds and gentle lights, everything felt warm and right. Children brought their toys to mend, feeling magic they could send. Every doll and teddy bear smiled again with love and care. Cozy rooms and laughter bright made the clinic pure delight. Toy clinic shone from day to night. Miss Polly's dolly needed care, so she built a clinic fair. Soft toy beds and gentle lights, everything felt warm and right. Children brought their toys to mend, feeling magic they could send. Every doll and teddy bear smiled again with love and care. Cozy rooms and laughter bright made the clinic pure delight. Toy clinic shone from day to night. Miss Polly's dolly needed care, so she built a clinic fair. Soft toy beds and gentle lights, everything felt warm and right. Children brought their toys to mend, feeling magic they could send. Every doll and teddy bear smiled again with love and care. Cozy rooms and laughter bright made the clinic pure delight. Toy clinic shone from day to night. Packed a cake with gentle hands, built a world of sugar sands. Marshmallow hills rise soft and slow. Candy rivers start to flow. Frosting trees begin to bloom. Sweetness drifting through the room. Chocolate bridges stretch with pride. Gumdrops falling like a tide. Every step is soft and bright, sparkled by the glowing light. A wonderland of pure delight. Packed a cake with gentle hands, built a world of sugar sands. Marshmallow hills rise soft and slow. Candy rivers start to flow. Frosting trees begin to bloom. Sweetness drifting through the room. Chocolate bridges stretch with pride. Gumdrops falling like a tide. Every step is soft and bright, sparkled by the glowing light. A wonderland of pure delight. Humpty Dumpty stacked each stone, painting colors all his own. Red and yellow, green and blue, sparkled softly with the dew. Children skipped from stone to stone, laughing as the path was shown. Every step a cheerful sound, magic spreading all around. Butterflies hovered, rings so bright, adding colors in the light. Way a stone path glowed in sight. Humpty Dumpty stacked each stone, painting colors all his own. Red and yellow, green and blue, sparkled softly with the dew. Children skipped from stone to stone, laughing as the path was shown. Every step a cheerful sound, magic spreading all around. Butterflies hovered, rings so bright, adding colors in the light. shimmered there, glittering petals soft and bright, glistening gently in the light. Bees and butterflies hovered near, whispering magic for all to hear. Children wandered through the rows, marveling at how the garden grows. Every flower sparkled clear, filling hearts with joy sincere. Crystal bloom shone far and near. Mary planted seeds with care, crystal petal bloom shimmered there, glittering petals soft and bright, glistening gently in the light. Bees and butterflies hovered near, whispering magic for all to hear. Children wandered through the rows, marveling at how the garden grows. Every flower sparkled clear, filling hearts with joy sincere. Crystal bloom shone far and near. Itsy climbs the star-bright vine, step by step in shining line. Tiny feet on glowing thread, chasing sparkles overhead. Stars encourage from the sky, cheering softly you can fly. Every shimmer lights his way, turning night to gentle day. Up he climbs with joyful pride, with the moonlight passes by to reach the dreams he holds inside. Itsy climbs the star-bright vine, step by step in shining line. Tiny feet on glowing thread, chasing sparkles overhead. Stars encourage from the sky, cheering softly you can fly. Every shimmer lights his way, turning night to gentle day. Up he climbs with joyful pride, with the moonlight passes by to reach the dreams he holds inside. Gently down the stream they glide, moonlit waters by their side. Silver ripples twist and gleam, floating soft as midnight dream. Then the golden shore appears, warming hearts and calming fears. Palms of starlight sway above, whispering their songs of love. Every breeze is warm and mild, every wave is soft and wild, welcoming each dreaming child. Gently down the stream they glide, moonlit waters by their side. Silver ripples twist and gleam, floating soft as midnight dream. Then the golden shore appears, warming hearts and calming fears. Palms of starlight sway above, whispering their songs of love. Every breeze is warm and mild, every wave is soft and wild, welcoming each dreaming. Weasel twirled with joyful cheer, meadow round music ringing near. Drums and flutes and tambourines, dancing lightly through the greens. Children clapped and sang along, joining in the happy song. Lanterns swayed above their heads, magic music gently spreads. Weasel spun with laughter bright, filling hearts with pure delight. Meadow round shone through the night. Weasel twirled with joyful cheer, meadow round music ringing near. Drums and flutes and tambourines, dancing lightly through the greens. Children clapped and sang along, joining in the happy song. Lanterns swayed above their heads, magic music gently spreads. Weasel spun with laughter bright, filling hearts with pure delight. Meadow round shone through the night. Five little monkeys swung with cheer, building playground far and near. Bright leaves glimmered in the sun, spinning, sliding, all the fun. Children laughed and joined the play, chasing monkeys through the day. Every corner held a surprise, magic twinkled in their eyes. Branches curved and swings went high, reaching softly to the sky. Leaf playground sparkled joyfully. Five little monkeys swung with cheer, building playground far and near. Bright leaves glimmered in the sun, spinning, sliding, all the fun. Children laughed and joined the play, chasing monkeys through the day. Every corner held a surprise, magic twinkled in their eyes. Branches curved and swings went high, reaching softly to the sky. Leaf playground sparkled joyfully. Mary's lamb trot side by side through the starlit countryside. Lanterns sway in gentle beams, lighting up their midnight dreams. Silver bells begin to chime, marking steps in perfect time. Every star begins to shine, tracing pathways soft and fine. Crowds all cheer along the way as they sparkle through the day. A parade of light that won't decay. Mary's lamb trot side by side through the starlit countryside. Lanterns sway in gentle beams, lighting up their midnight dreams. Silver bells begin to chime, marking steps in perfect time. Every star begins to shine, tracing pathways soft and fine. Crowds all cheer along the way as they sparkle through the day. A parade of light that won't decay. Packed a cake, stirred the sugar bowl, mixing magic to make it whole. Sugar blossom shop glowed so sweet, candied flowers lined each street. Children wandered in delight, smiling at each sugary sight. Cupcakes, cookies, pies so grand, decorated by Pat's skilled hand. Every corner sparkled bright, sweet aromas filled the night. Sugar blossom shop was pure delight. Packed a cake, stirred the sugar bowl, mixing magic to make it whole. Sugar blossom shop glowed so sweet, candied flowers lined each street. Children wandered in delight, smiling at each sugary sight. Cupcakes, cookies, pies so grand, decorated by Pat's skilled hand. Every corner sparkled bright, sweet aromas filled the night. Sugar blossom shop was pure delight. Little Bo Peep led her sheep through the meadow soft and deep. Grass so green and flowers bright, dancing gently in the light. Sheep wandered with joyful cheer, nuzzling close their friends so near. Children ran and laughed around, softly treading on the ground. Every corner held delight, sunshine warmed them day and night. Peaceful sheep meadow felt just right. Little Bo Peep led her sheep through the meadow soft and deep. Grass so green and flowers bright, dancing gently in the light. Sheep wandered with joyful cheer, nuzzling close their friends so near. Children ran and laughed around, softly treading on the ground. Every corner held delight, sunshine warmed them day and night. Peaceful sheep meadow felt just right. Jack and Jill with laughter sweet carry sunlight on their feet. Rainbow drops begin to fall, painting colors over all. Shining streams of gold and red twirl like ribbons overhead. Water glows with soft delight, shimmering in gentle light. Side by side they build with cheer, calling magic far and near. A fountain bright for all to hear. Jack and Jill with laughter sweet carry sunlight on their feet. Rainbow drops begin to fall, painting colors over all. Shining streams of gold and red twirl like ribbons overhead. Water glows with soft delight, shimmering in gentle light. Side by side they build with cheer, calling magic far and near. A fountain bright for all to hear. Raindrops fall in gentle streams, changing colors as they gleam. Gray clouds fade to pass, they gleam. Let your rainbow light shine through. Every drop becomes a bead, sparkling bright for all in need. Children laugh and dance around, catching jewels from the ground. Rain no longer brings dismay, turning magic on its way. A sky that glows in colors gay. Raindrops fall in gentle streams, changing colors as they gleam. Gray clouds fade to pass, they gleam. Let your rainbow light shine through. Every drop becomes a bead, sparkling bright for all in need. Children laugh and dance around, catching jewels from the ground. Rain no longer brings dismay, turning magic on its way. A sky that glows in colors gay. Mouse climbed high the ticking wall. Hidden clock corridor awaited the call. Gears turned softly, shadows cast, magic secrets of the past. Every step revealed a clue, guiding mouse where wonders grew. Time spun gently through the night, stars above shone soft and bright. Whispers floated on the air, inviting mouse to wander there. Hidden clock corridor led anywhere. Mouse ticking wall. Hidden clock corridor awaited the call. Gears turned softly, shadows cast, magic secrets of the past. Every step revealed a clue, guiding mouse where wonders grew. Time spun gently through the night, stars above shone soft and bright. Whispers floated on the air, inviting mouse to wander there. Hidden clock corridor